Alright, simplehan na lang natin. Paano ka magta-transfer from Upwork to any local bank or even to TransferWise, a US bank in Upwork? Okay? So, diretsahan na to. Wala nang intro-intro. Let's go! Alright, so right now, syempre, napaka-importante that you have access to your Upwork. So, punta ka lang sa upwork.com and then log in ka. Then once you are logged in, yan, diretso lang to parts. Yan, so you are now on your Upwork dashboard. What's next? As of this recording, it's July 12, 2024. So maybe in the future, if you're watching this video, iba na yung platform. But the same process lang yan. Throughout the years that I have been using Upwork, same process lang. Usually, nasa reports yan. Punta ka sa reports, and then overview. Kung papansin mo, mababa na lang yung earnings ko dito kasi nga, nilabas ko na ng Upwork majority of my clients. But then, yan, punta ka lang dito sa available. Take note na kung ano lang yung available amount dito, ayun lang yung pwede mong i-transfer sa bank account or any bank account na meron ka. So, click mo lang yan. This is the fastest and easiest way. Huwag ka na pumunta sa mga settings and get paid now. Okay? Press get paid now and dyan, may mga withdrawal method ka na dyan. So, make sure that you're able to connect already yung mga payment method mo. Saan mo ba makikita yon? Pakita ko na lang rin para mabilis lang. Dito yan sa settings mo. Okay? Pakita ko lang. So, freelancer settings. Usually, dito pala yan siya sa get paid method. So yan. So, dyan lang yan. Maglalagay ka lang ng mga withdrawal method na gagamitin mo. Add method ka lang dyan. Tapos yun. Marami namang YouTube, guide eh. So, mag-add method ka lang dyan. You can add different methods here. For you to get paid. Okay? So, balik muna tayo. So, balik tayo dito. How are you going to get paid? Pili ka lang dyan. Ano dyan? Ako, gagamitin ko yung bank account that is ending in 8840. This is a TransferWise account. Bakit nga pala TransferWise? Because, number 1, free yung transfer niya from Upwork to Wise. Number 2, maganda yung conversion rate niya. As in, mataas ang conversion rate niya. So, I choose this. Just like what I mentioned din naman, 0, walang fee. Pero kasi pag via PayPal, may $2 pa. Pang Starbucks mo rin yan. Ganun din sa Payoneer. So, ito yung TransferWise account ko. Ang dali lang yan, i-connect talaga. So, pindutin mo lang yung get paid now. Once you press get paid now, that's it. So, take note, ng mga around 2 to 3 days siya bago pumasok sa iyong TransferWise account. So, don't worry, huwag kang mag-alala. Especially if, for example, ako, Friday Take note, Friday ko transfer yan. So, I'll expect na mga around Tuesday next week or Monday next week ko na marireceive yan sa aking TransferWise account. Also, make sure, paano magagaranti na on the way na yan? Punta ka lang sa email mo. Just go to your email and you will see a notification yan that we initiated of your Upwork balance. Okay? So, that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you well. Please hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that you will also be updated sa mga videos na gagawin ko that will help you grow your business as a freelancer. Nabubulol pa. Wala nang edit yan. Tuloy-tuloy na. God bless everyone.